fast-paced business landscape, enterprises need integrated and efficient systems to streamline their operations, manage resources, and drive growth. Oracle ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, is a powerful suite of software applications that empowers organization to achieve operational flexibility and efficiency by streamlining business operations. Let us delve into Oracle ERP and its module. Hello everyone, I am Anshul Sharma from Webtel. In this video, I am going to share all about Oracle history, modules and distinctive features. So stay tuned with me, and before starting this video, I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft to get regular compliance updates. Let's start with basics about Oracle ERP. I am taking you to my screen. Now, what is Oracle? In today's fast-paced business landscape, enterprise need efficient and integrated systems to streamline their operations, manage resources, and drive growth. Oracle ERP, which is Enterprise Resource Planning, is a powerful suite of software applications that empowers organizations to achieve operational flexibilities and efficiency by streamlining business operations. Now, what is Oracle ERP? Oracle ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a solution that is used to manage and integrate various aspects of business processes. ERP systems are designed to provide a centralized view of an organization's core operations, making it easier to plan, execute, and monitor activities across different departments and functions. What is Oracle ERP? Oracle ERP is a comprehensive suite of business applications designed to automate and streamline an organization's financial, supply chain, procurement, project management, and human capital management processes. This suite encompasses a wide range of functionalities such as real-time reporting, business intelligence, and business decisions. It was introduced by Lawrence Nelson, Bob Miner, Ed Oates, and Bruce Scott in August 1977. After that, in 1998 to 2021, Oracle introduced two major databases versions, that is Oracle 8i and Oracle 9i. In the year of 2003, Oracle introduced Fusion as an integrated application suite that comprised functionality from its e-business suite, PeopleSoft, and Civil software with both cloud and on-premises deployment options. The business suite was made available to users in the year of 2011. Oracle acquired enterprise performance management vendor Hyperion in 2007 to boost the financials and BI business capabilities. Oracle made a major strategic shift in 2008 with the introduction of extra data to store servers, networking, and storage, along with the Oracle database and other software. In 2010, Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems as a platform for extra data and other Oracle appliances. In 2013, Oracle rolled out database version 12c with a platform for extra data and other Oracle appliances. Oracle acquired NetSuite in 2016, giving it a current two-tier ERP strategy wherein a customer who opens new offices would use NetSuite in those locations while trying it back to a central Oracle ERP system. Oracle ERP Cloud SaaS software provides advanced generation to public cloud capabilities, including an advanced intelligent voice user interface. The Oracle ERP Cloud is based on the Oracle Fusion application that was developed with Oracle Fusion Architecture and Oracle Fusion Middleware in 2011. Now coming back to the Oracle ERP modules, there are different modules in Oracle ERP like financial management. Oracle ERP's financial management module includes features like general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and asset management. It enables organizations to maintain accurate financial records, automate financial processes, and gain real-time visibility to their financial performance. Supply chain management. This module helps business optimize their supply chain operations from procurement and inventory management to order fulfillment and demand forecasting. It enhances the efficiency and reduces cost by ensuring that products are available when and where they are needed. Human capital management. Oracle HCM assists organizations in managing their workforce effectively. It covers areas such as recruitment, payroll, talent management, and employee self-service. By automating HR processes, it allows HR teams to focus strategic initiatives. Procurement. Oracle ERP's procurement module streamlines the procurement process from supplier sourcing and negotiating to purchase order management and invoice processing. It helps organizations to automate the purchase process and improve supplier relationships to increase profitability. The risk management module in Oracle ERP make use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to provide better compliance and financial control. It automates the prevention of compliance violations and enables business continuity. Enterprise performance management. The Oracle EPM module helps organizations to plan and forecast business performance by offering unified insights into finances, operations, and LOB planning. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing module in Oracle ERP makes it easy for organizations to manage the manufacturing and production process efficiently and meet the supply demand by keeping track of raw material requirements and monitoring costs. Customer relationship management. Oracle CRM enables organizations to manage and improve the sales and marketing process. It enables the capabilities offered in Oracle CRM, which is customer relationship management modules, including contract management, communication tracking, opportunity or leading tracking, order history, and sales agent productivity. Project management. The project management module in Oracle ERP assists organizations in mapping schedules, budgets, and resources by providing a comprehensive visualized view of the same. It also enables the team to predict, monitor, and control costs by better optimization of resources. ERP analytics. The Oracle ERP analytics module assists in boosting profitability by offering insights into the costs, cash flow, business expenditure, and working capital. Now come back to benefits of Oracle ERP. Increased efficiency. Oracle ERP automates and standardizes business processes, reducing manual data entry and likelihood of errors. This efficiency translates into faster decision making and increased productivity. Real-time insights. With a unified database and reporting capabilities, Oracle ERP provides real-time visibility into an organization's financial health, supply chain, and overall performance. This enables faster, data-driven decision making. Cost reduction. By optimizing processes and reducing manual labor, Oracle ERP helps organizations lower operational costs. Better supply chain management and procurement also contribute to cost savings. Scalability. Oracle ERP is designed to grow with your business. It can adapt to changing business requirements and accommodate expansion seamlessly. The scalable and advanced solution assists in boosting efficiency and time management. Compliance and security. Oracle ERP incorporates security and compliance management features that ensures compliance with industry regulations, reducing the risk of data breaches and financial penalties. ERP is a comprehensive solution that empowers organizations to manage their resources, streamline operations, and drive growth. Its integrated approach to financial management, supply chain optimization, human capital management, and more makes it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes and industries. By implementing Oracle ERP, organizations can gain a competitive edge in today's dynamic business environment and position themselves for long-term success. The The process of Oracle ERP integration is a complex process that needs expert assistance to reap the benefits and efficiency intended. Connect with us today to get consultation and seamless integration with Oracle ERP. I hope you have understood that. Oracle ERP is a comprehensive solution that empowers organizations to manage their resources, streamline their operations, and drive growth. By implementing Oracle ERP, organization can gain a competitive edge in today's dynamic business environment and position themselves for long-term success. Share this video with your business partners and friends for better understanding. I am sharing the blog link in the description box. If you found this video helpful, then please visit the link mentioned below in the description box, and also let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Next Tuesday, we will come up with another video to improve compliance better for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for better compliance journey.